Selected tree bark is carefully harvested. From sustainably managed trees. Workers trim, inspect, and bundle the bark to ensure consistent quality. Bundles are then loaded onto trucks
and transported to the manufacturing facility under controlled conditions, preserving the material's natural fibers for further processing.
Selected tree bark arrives at the facility.
Bark is washed to remove dust, dirt, and impurities.
Operators sort the pieces by thickness and texture.
The cleaned bark is then dried under controlled temperature and humidity to preserve natural fibers. The dried bark sheets enter tanning vats. Conditioned bark leather passes through calibration rollers to achieve uniform thickness.
Operators then position each sheet on marked cutting tables. And prepare jacket components using predefined patterns.
Every cut maintains precise dimensions required for assembly.
Cut panels undergo fiber stabilization.
Operators apply natural oils to enhance pliability and prevent cracking.
Edges are refined using controlled trimming tools. The bark leather maintains its texture and elasticity, even when subjected to significant stress.
Prepared bark leather panels move to the assembly zone.
Operators position each panel on industrial sewing stations.
Designed for rigid, natural materials.
Stitching proceeds in a controlled sequence. Forming the jacket's body, sleeves, and collar.
The natural bark texture remains intact as seams are reinforced for structural stability. All assembly steps follow precise measurements to maintain uniform shape. The assembled jacket enters shaping stations. where internal reinforcements are inserted to maintain form. Heat-controlled molds gently contour the bark leather. Without altering its natural surface texture. The jacket achieves stable shape and dimensional accuracy.
Operators apply protective coatings to enhance moisture resistance and extend durability.
The natural bark texture is preserved while receiving a uniform protective layer.
Final surface smoothing ensures a consistent appearance across the entire jacket.
Finished bark leather jackets are folded carefully.
Packaged in protective sleeves and labeled.
Units are arranged systematically.
Inventory systems record all outgoing shipments with precise tracking data.
The bark leather jacket production process. 會佢全一共的呢位一張全體上。
The data stream from the manufacturing pod confirms complete synchronization. We anticipate zero deviation from the projected output.
This concludes the technical overview of the manufacturing pod. All systems are operating within established parameters. From raw tree bark collection
to final finishing and packaging.
Every stage is engineered to preserve. The material's natural wooden texture.
This is the finished bark leather jacket. As you can see, the textile perfectly mimics the texture of white birch. The resulting jacket maintains the fusion of organic material and high fashion structure. Observe the intricate bark
Its characteristic bark surface, while achieving structural flexibility.
Finished bark leather jackets are folded carefully. Packaged in protective sleeves and labeled.
Units are arranged systematically in the warehouse for efficient dispatch.
Inventory systems record all outgoing shipments with precise tracking data.